Look at that, look at that. Making 2 different types of enchiladas my way. So we're gonna do, I did the mole sauce, and then on this side, this is just cheese and onion and some little pieces of chopped up corn tortilla. And then on this side, we put a little bit of masa right in here. Let's see how that comes out. But then on the rest, of course, is mole sauce, is chicken and onions. I didn't put anything else in there. So that's it. Using regular 4 cheese, Mexican cheese, and a little bit of pepper jack on that side. Anyway, it's cooking. Then I come over here and inspect my wood stove, and I see some ash. I'm gonna have to clean that up. But anyhow, yeah, I'm keeping it warm in the house. You know, these wood stoves are great. It heats up that whole pipe, which radiates heat and into your house. Now you could use these little fans, or you could just put a metal, not plastic, a metal fan on the back side, turn it on, and it will just blow that heat all over. I'd say within 30 minutes, the whole house, 1,500 square feet, is warm. Love it. While that's baking, I just come out to look at the leaves I mulched the other day. Let my dogs run. So what I do, and I was telling my niece this the other day, is I get on the riding lawnmower, and you see that patch of grass out there? Out front is about an acre. Oh no, it's about a half acre. It's about a half acre. So I get on the riding lawnmower and I blow or rake the leaves out to the lawn, and I just return them back to the ground by mowing over them. You could put the mulcher lid on, or just mow over them a few times, and it goes right back down to the dirt, and it's a little acidic, so it's good for the ground. And then my blackberries, as you can see here, I trimmed them up and put a lot of their, I mean, these vines were so long, and I keep them trimmed in the summertime while they're growing all these berries, but I went ahead and just trimmed them back now. I'll get to my fruit trees, my young fruit trees later, probably in late January into February. I see that my little lemon tree is producing about 6 lemons. My mandarin tree is producing this year pretty well. You like my fancy lights? Those are actually patriotic lights right there. They're red, white, and blue. That's for when all the political stuff was going on. I decided put up red, white, and blue, and then I left them up for Christmas. So it's kind of hard to tell that they're red, white, and blue. Let's see. See if you can see it here. You're probably looking at my lookout in my tree there. But yeah, these are red, white, and blue. Red, white, red, and blue. They don't have them in order. Yeah, there's my tree lookout. I do still like to go up there and sit. It holds 2 people, but we've only done that a couple of times to where 2 of us would be up there. It's kind of nice. It straps to the tree, keeps you safe. You go up the ladder, sit there. So I'm letting the enchiladas bake. And so, like I said, one side is just cheese, tortilla, onions, and then the mole sauce I made, and which is my own style of sauce. I've kind of come up with it for years past. I'd say for the past 30 years I've been making the same style. These I rolled, so it's nice that they're rolled. You can spatula them out, but other than that, you can literally just fry your corn tortillas and put them across your tin pan, and then just start putting the fillings in, whatever you want in there. could pour the sauce over and then do another layer. And to me, it comes out like almost like a tamale pie. I just call it enchilada pie or casserole. But today I rolled them out. Was not lazy at all whatsoever. I'm not making tamales for Christmas, but I do have some friends that are, and they'll probably share a bit. I'm going to be the gingerbread sugar cookie maker, probably brownies and Rice Krispies. I've already made soaps and candles, and then I have some jars of honey from my bees. So I think all of that, those are good gifts. Honey is expensive, especially when it's raw and pure. Soap, let me show you what I did with that. See all of this beautiful lavender I grow? That goes into the soaps. Oh yeah, beautiful. This mint is absolutely gorgeous. I grow regular mint and spearmint. That goes into the soaps also. I also dry them out and make tea. I bought this aloe vera plant, and it was just the smallest thing, and now it is growing like crazy. I didn't know that celery liked the cold. My celery is doing awesome. Just sprouting, growing crazy. I find it strange that my strawberries are still growing. So are my tomatoes. You can hear my neighbor working, but of course my neighbors are always working on their house. Cabbage and carrots are doing well. That's awesome. They like the winter. No clue why my tomatoes are still growing. In the back, same thing, full of tomatoes. Yet it's been 29 degrees in the mornings here, nearly snowing, and we usually get snow. Well, we get snow every year, but sometimes it's really bad, and then sometimes it's just a couple of days. But here in northern upper California, towards the Nevada line, I'd say I'm about 2 hours from the Nevada, well, hour and 45 minutes from the Nevada state line. But yeah, my tomatoes are growing, and they're crazy. I just think how wild that is. Onions are doing well. They usually do. These are russet potatoes I'm growing right here. They're just growing. I have red potatoes growing too. Let's take a look. Take a look-see right there. Oh yeah, these are getting crisp on tops, like little tortilla chips, because I cut the corn tortillas. My friend always does that for her turkey soup. Like she'll make turkey or chicken Mexican soup, like tortilla soup, you know. Yeah, I'd say about 20 more minutes. Pull them out. You guys have a wonderful day. God bless you. Thank you all so much for watching, and now a sample of one of my songs. You got the smile that is etched on my